Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about heparin sodium 5000 IU injection. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Gland Pharma Limited. Heparin sodium 5000 IU injection. Uses. Heparin sodium injection is mainly used for the prevention and treatment of blood clots. It's also prescribed to patients suffering from or at risk of heart attacks. Benefits. In the prevention of blood clots, this medicine plays a vital role. Formation of blood clots can block veins, most often in the legs, and cause pain, swelling, or even serious complications. Heparin sodium injection prevents these clots from forming near the skin's surface and improves blood circulation. It also helps relieve pain and inflammation by promoting smoother blood flow, speeding up the healing process. Doctors may also recommend additional measures like heat therapy, leg elevation, compression stockings, or painkillers for complete relief. Side effects. Like all medicines, heparin sodium injection may cause side effects in some patients. These include trouble breathing, bleeding that doesn't stop, bruising, rashes, or patches on the skin. Rarely, you may experience weakness on one side of the body, confusion, headaches, or vision and hearing problems. If you notice any of these symptoms, seek immediate medical attention. How to use. Heparin sodium injection must always be administered by a doctor or trained nurse. Never attempt to self-inject this medicine. How it works. Heparin sodium injection is an anticoagulant, or blood thinner. It prevents the formation of harmful blood clots in the body. While it doesn't dissolve existing clots, it stops them from growing larger and causing blockages in the veins or arteries, helping to maintain healthy blood circulation.